Today I have a little bit of an emergency. I was putting up our pool, and I don't know if you can see this, but there's a crack, two cracks right in here. So with the experimentation I've been doing with baking soda and cyanoacrylate, I figured I'd try it with this and that I would include you in on it. So let's see how it goes here. Okay, how much are in these? These are 0.1 ounce. Ah, so that's it. So I thought I got a great deal at Harbor Freight this weekend. They were having their, what do you call it? The sidewalk sale or parking lot sale or something like that. And I got these things for less than $1 a pack. But these are only 0.07. I don't know if you can read that. 0.07. And the ones that I got the last time were 0.1. So, may have saved a little bit of money, but is the total cost, but I'm not sure if I actually made a value purchase on this. So let's get this all ready. Hopefully I won't use all 3 tubes. I don't like the way that went on, but hopefully that's good. Felt weird. Appears that something hit this. I never did, but we came home one day and our pool was putting water all over our patio or our driveway, and it looks like something squeezed it or pinched it or something. Okay, I'll put you on pause while this dries. Okay, not sure if this is actually drying, so let me just try putting a little bit of powder in here to soak some of the cyanoacrylate up. It cracked a lot more than what I thought it did, what it's going to, but that might actually work. Well, might have something here. I'm sorry this thing keeps moving. I can't stop it from sliding out. I don't have a really good area for it. Well, very interesting. I think just for the fun of it, I'll put some over on this one also. This is by no means like a permanent fix. I'm just trying to do this because the hose that we ordered is the wrong kind. Oh, there's more cracks over here. Well, I'm glad I did this. But the hose that we ordered is the wrong size. It was too big. So I'm trying to fix this one at least to use until we can either... Oh, no, 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 no. Well, that worked pretty well. Got it stuck to my thumb, but I'd rather do that than have my bench ruined. Yeah, I should have put a sheet of paper or something under this. That probably would have been the best thing to do. Okay. Looks like a crack there and a hole there, so put some cyanoacrylate in the hole and come over to this crack. Alright, I'm hoping that that'll work. So, I'll put it on and I'll make another video in about a day or so to see if it's still working or if it's leaking. Okay, thanks for watching.